Traveling during peak season can feel like navigating a bustling maze. Crowds surge through popular attractions, transportation hubs buzz with activity, and finding affordable accommodations can be a challenge. Yet, despite these potential hurdles, peak season travel offers a unique vibrancy and energy. It's a chance to witness destinations at their liveliest, immerse oneself in cultural celebrations, and create memories that shimmer with the excitement of shared experiences. The key to conquering peak season travel lies in smart planning and a flexible mindset. By embracing a few savvy strategies, you can transform potential travel chaos into a rewarding adventure. Remember, the secret is to anticipate challenges, adapt to unexpected situations, and savor the moments that unfold along the way. Imagine yourself strolling through a charming European market square, the air alive with the melodies of street musicians and the aromas of local delicacies. Picture yourself gazing upon iconic landmarks, the sun casting a golden glow upon their grandeur. These are the rewards of peak season travel, experiences that linger long after the journey ends. So pack your bags, embrace the energy of the crowds, and prepare to embark on a peak season adventure that will leave you with cherished memories and a renewed appreciation for the world's wonders. The foundation of a successful peak season trip lies in meticulous pre-trip planning. Begin by researching your destination thoroughly, exploring its must-see attractions, local customs, and transportation options. Utilize online resources, travel guides, and personal recommendations to gather valuable insights. Once you have a clear picture of your destination, create a detailed itinerary. Outline your daily activities, transportation arrangements, and accommodation bookings. While flexibility is crucial during peak season, having a structured plan provides a roadmap for your adventures. Consider pre-booking accommodations, transportation, and popular attractions, especially if your travel dates coincide with major holidays or events. This proactive approach can save you time, money, and potential frustration upon arrival. Packing efficiently is paramount for peak season travel, especially when navigating crowded airports, train stations, and bustling city streets. Aim to pack light, bringing only essential items that can be mixed and matched to create versatile outfits. Choose lightweight, wrinkle-resistant clothing that can withstand the rigors of travel. Pack versatile pieces that can be dressed up or down, allowing you to adapt to various occasions. Remember, less is more when it comes to peak season packing. Embrace the art of layering, which allows you to adjust to fluctuating temperatures and unpredictable weather conditions. Pack a lightweight jacket, a scarf, and a hat to provide warmth and style without adding bulk to your luggage. While iconic landmarks and popular attractions draw crowds during peak season, consider venturing beyond the beaten path to uncover hidden gems. Explore charming villages, lesser-known museums, and local markets to experience the authentic essence of your destination. Timing your travel strategically can also enhance your peak season experience. Consider visiting popular attractions early in the morning or later in the evening to avoid the midday rush. Embrace the tranquility of off-peak hours and capture stunning photographs without the crowds. If your schedule allows, consider traveling during the shoulder seasons, the periods just before or after peak season. You'll often find pleasant weather, manageable crowds, and more affordable prices during these transitional times. Section 5. Embracing local culture beyond tourist traps. Peak season offers a unique opportunity to immerse oneself in local culture and traditions. Venture beyond tourist traps and engage with locals to gain a deeper understanding of the destination's heritage. Attend local festivals, markets, and cultural events to witness the vibrancy of local life. Sample regional delicacies, learn a few basic phrases in the local language, and engage in conversations with residents to gain valuable insights and perspectives. Consider taking a cooking class, attending a traditional performance, or visiting a local artisan workshop to experience the destination's cultural richness firsthand. These immersive experiences will create lasting memories and broaden your understanding of the world. Section 6. Navigating crowds. Smart tips for popular attractions. Navigating crowds at popular attractions is an inevitable part of peak season travel. Embrace a patient and adaptable mindset, and employ a few savvy strategies to make the experience more enjoyable. Consider purchasing tickets online in advance to skip long lines and secure your entry to desired attractions. Research the best times to visit, often early mornings or late afternoons, to avoid the midday crowds. When exploring crowded areas, maintain a heightened awareness of your surroundings and belongings. Keep your valuables secure and be mindful of potential pickpockets. Section 7. Culinary delights. Savoring authentic flavors. Peak season is an ideal time to savor the culinary delights of your destination. Embrace local cuisine, venture beyond tourist traps, and discover hidden culinary gems. Explore local markets, sample street food, and dine at family-run restaurants to experience authentic flavors and traditional dishes. Engage with vendors, ask for recommendations, and embrace the opportunity to expand your culinary horizons. Consider taking a food tour or cooking class to delve deeper into the local gastronomy. These immersive experiences will provide insights into culinary traditions, ingredients, and preparation techniques. Section 8. Accommodation strategies. Finding your home away from home. Securing comfortable and affordable accommodations during peak season requires strategic planning and flexibility. Explore various lodging options, including hotels, guest houses, bed and breakfasts, and vacation rentals. Consider booking accommodations well in advance, especially if your travel dates coincide with major events or holidays. Utilize online booking platforms, compare prices, and read reviews to find the best options for your needs and budget. If you're traveling on a budget, consider staying in hostels or guest houses, which often offer communal spaces and opportunities to connect with fellow travelers. Embrace the social aspect of shared accommodations and enjoy the camaraderie of fellow adventurers. Section 9. Transportation tips. Mastering the art of getting around. Navigating transportation during peak season can be challenging, but with a few savvy strategies, you can master the art of getting around. Research transportation options in advance, including public transportation, taxis, ride-sharing services, and rental cars. Consider purchasing transportation passes or cards for seamless travel on public transportation systems. Familiarize yourself with routes, schedules, and payment methods to avoid delays and confusion. If you're renting a car, book it well in advance, especially during peak season. Factor in parking fees, traffic conditions, and driving regulations in your destination. Section 10. Returning home. Transitioning back to reality. As your peak season adventure comes to an end, take time to reflect on the experiences, encounters, and insights you've gained. Transitioning back to reality after an immersive journey can take time, so allow yourself space to process the memories and emotions. Unpack your bags, organize your photographs, and share your travel stories with friends and family. Consider creating a travel journal or scrapbook to preserve your memories and inspire future adventures. Embrace the lessons learned, the perspectives gained, and the renewed appreciation for the world's diversity. These intangible souvenirs will enrich your life long after the journey ends. Section 11. Conclusion. The rewards of peak season travel. Peak season travel may present its challenges, but the rewards far outweigh the hurdles. It's a time to embrace the energy of crowds, immerse oneself in cultural celebrations, and witness destinations at their liveliest. By embracing smart planning, flexibility, and a sense of adventure, you can navigate the peak season travel maze with grace and create memories that shimmer with the excitement of shared experiences. Remember, the essence of travel lies in embracing the unexpected, connecting with diverse cultures, and broadening our understanding of the world. So pack your bags, embrace the peak season crowds, and embark on a journey that will leave you with cherished memories and a renewed appreciation for the wonders of our planet.